kanimo, Father God, we surrender this to you, Yahweh. Today, Lord, you will reign, God, continually, Lord, over our lives, Father. And Lord, kung namin mga tao, Father God, na, Lord, nagaluya, Lord, ang ilang paglakaw na wala sila kasabot, let them have, Lord, rest from you, Lord. Let them have strength from you, Father.